Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to join a Telegram private channel without a link. Let's get started. To begin, open the Telegram app on your device and create a group. Once the group is created, open it by tapping on its name. Then, tap on the invite link and select Copy Invite Link from the options below. Next, open any web browser and paste the copied link into the address bar. Modify the link by removing half of it and add the name of the specific group at the end. This modified link will allow you to access the group without needing an invitation link. Once you've modified the link as mentioned earlier, click on Continue to open the link. Now, click View in the Telegram app. In the Telegram app, click on Join the group to become a member. After joining, navigate to the group's name and check its description. As you can see, it's the same link we entered. That concludes the process of joining a private channel on Telegram without a link. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.